Quality, comfortable living is effortless when you live at SunTree. Majestic mountain views, coupled with lush landscaping, creates a personal oasis you won't find anywhere else. Go for a refreshing swim in our shimmering pool, utilize the clothing care centers to catch up on laundry for the week, or take an afternoon stroll and just admire the views. We also have on-site parking and a great management staff ready to assist you. We feature distinctive 1- and 2-bedroom apartment homes to suit a variety of lifestyles and budgets, with well-designed floor plans that include bright and functional living areas, fully equipped kitchens, spacious walk-in closets, and an intimate outdoor patio or balcony space. Add in your personal touch and decor, and it will feel like home in no time. We're located in Fontana, California, where you'll be close to local schools, plenty of entertainment and dining options, and easy interstate access, which puts San Bernardino and the surrounding areas just a short drive away. Come and discover all of the exciting reasons to make SunTree your new residence. Our staff look forward to welcoming you home.